Hi developers, this is Yuvraj, and in the previous video we had gone through the basics of Java, and inside the Java we learned the OOPS concept, and in the OOPS concept we have learned like object, what is class, and what is method. Okay, and in this video we will code for that. So in order to do that, first we need to install some softwares. So let's get do that. First we need to install the Java. So let's type Java, and Java Oracle. Go to this website oracle.com, and let's search here Java. Okay, this download Java. Now click here, and okay, here are the system. So my system is Windows, so I'll download Windows according to your system configuration. You can download it. If you are using Mac or Linux, you can download according to your system configuration. So I'll download the MSI. This is MSI stand for Microsoft installer. So I'll download this, and now it is downloading. Wait for some time. Okay, and another software I need, that is VS Code. VS Code is simply a code editor, and it is most famous editor for the developers, and it is very trusted because it is Microsoft products. So I'll download VS Code. Download. This is also same according to your configuration. You can download, either you are using Mac or Windows, you can download it. So I will download this window, and now it is downloading. Okay, so Java is downloaded. Now open it, and right click this, and what happened? Okay, let's install. Run. Click on next, and simply it will be installed. Wait for some time. I got a pop-up. Probably we will not see this. I'll clicking this yes. Mm, okay, let's close it. Okay, so Java is installed in my computer system. To check it is installed or not, so let's check how we can do that. Go to this, okay, command prompt, and simply type, okay, let's zoom it little. Okay, simply type Java C. Okay, so if you get this message, in that case Java is installed in your system. Okay, don't confuse about this. This is Java C. Java C stands for Java compiler. So this command will compile your code. Okay. Close it, and another software which I have downloaded, I will install that, and that one is VS Code. So simply run it also, and what happened, bro? Okay, accept the agreement, click on next or yes. Add open with, check this, you will get a extra feature for. Okay, and then install it. Wait for a moment. Okay, now it is installed. Finish it. Let's go close it for now. Close it. So I'll create some folder Java to, okay, and simply open with VSCode. Sorry guys, it is taking some time. My system is slow. So finally the moment is came. I have installed some extension, that is why it is taking some time. Okay, done now. So let's create a first Java program. So first what you need to do, first write the file name, program name. Okay, first my first C. Whenever you write a file, in that case the first letter should be always capital. Okay, remember this thing. Whenever you write a file name in Java, the first letter should be always capital. Okay, so my first program dot Java. This is an extension for Java. Every Java file, the extension should be dot Java. Okay, hit enter, and so the finally the moment is came. To create a class, first write the keyword class. This is a default keyword. Whenever you write a Java program, this is mandatory to write a class. Forget about the keyword, I will explain it later. Just remember this is like a syntax. Okay, so whenever you will create a Java file, a Java, first you need to write this class. Okay, and then write the file name. Whatever you have written the file name, same file name you have to write it here. Okay, like my first program. Okay, and after that write the, this is called curly braces. Okay, curly braces open and curly braces close. Whatever you will write between these curly braces, this is called body of this sorry, this is called body of this class. Okay, and then you have to write what, public static void main and string string. Oh, don't worry guys, I have installed this tab 9 extension, that is why it is suggesting me. Don't ignore it. Okay, then args, this is variable, or later I will explain what is variable. Just for now, you just take care about the this thing. Okay, this is class, whenever you will create a class, first you have to write this class keyword and then class name. Okay, this is class name. Also you can say file name. Okay, class name, file name should be always same. If you are using single class, then the class name and file name should be always same. And this is a main function. This is mandatory to write every Java program. Okay, this is mandatory, don't forget to write this. Okay, and this is simple structure, you can say this is simple structure. Don't try to understand anything about this, what is the public static void main. I'll explain it later. Okay, so this is our class. Okay, and this is a method in the sense it is also called function, main function. Okay, so now we have successfully created the class. Okay, and let's create our custom methods. In the previous video we had discussed the method, what is method. Okay, so let's create that. So to create a method, same thing, public static void and eat. We had learned this thing, it is a method. Okay, so again this method. Okay, this is, now I have created a method. Okay, first you have to write public static void. Don't worry about these things. Okay, simply just understand this. To create method we have to write public static void and then method name. Okay, this is a way to create a method. Okay, and how to create object. So to create object, first we need what? Oh, to create object first we need my program and write something variable, whatever you want. Okay, variable means any name, like dog. Okay, and new, this is a keyword. Okay, whenever you will create object, this new keyword is mandatory to write. Okay, and then my program and parenthesis. See, now created, my object is created. Okay, and using this object you can access this method. Okay, how will we do that? So dog dot eat. Okay, now using this dog is accessing this method. Okay, this is object and this is method. How to create method? Public static void and after that this method name. Okay, let's create another method. Public static void run. So dog is running. Let's, okay, dog is running. This is run method. Run method in the sense function. Dog is running. Dog, why? Because dog run करता है. That is why I have created the run method. Dog eating. Dog खाता है. That is why I have created eat method. Okay, same. How we can access this run method? Using dog dot run. Simple. Okay, and see, now our aim is fulfilled. What we want? we want to create an object. Now object is created. We want to create a class, so class is also created. So that is it for this video. Later we will create some programs, we'll print something. So thanks for now, and let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, and thanks for watching.